Welcome to this unboxing video of the DJI Mini 3 Pro. This will not be a how-to video, it's just a unboxing. I'm not a professional drone pilot. I used to have this DJI Mini, the first one. I've flown a little with it, learned how to fly the drones, and now I want to update. The reason I bought this drone is because of the more professional-like features with the focus, the tracking, the raw camera format, and things like that. So I am not an expert. So let's see what's inside. I choose to buy it with the new controller, with the screen, built-in screen. To open this as well, very secure. So let's see. This is the first thing you see, the drone, and I think I can feel the battery is plugged in. So this is the drone cover, and as I thought, the battery were plugged in. Oh, really nice, really nice. I like the way they actually made like the wings can be locked in place. Now I fucked it up here, but like this, and they won't go anywhere. I needed that a little with the first DJI Mini, but pretty awesome. Let's see what else we got. Let's turn this around and put this here just for the show off because of my pro lighting. Of course, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more of this content and a lot more other content. And now we got the controller. Pretty nice. It's big, but I don't mind that. Pretty big, actually. But I like the screen, big screen size, or medium big screen size, and the controller pins here. There's two buttons. I think you can make it your choice what you want to use these, or else it's pretty much as the old controller. A few differences, but that's nice. I don't regret buying it with this one. So nice. And last part, I am pretty sure that they didn't send a charger. No. Oh, that's the extra wings. 4 extra wings and a screwdriver. Small one. And the cable. Yeah. And no, you can't see anything. No charger. So that's okay. And it's USB-C to USB-C. So you need a USB-C charger. I got that. Lucky for me. But yeah, that's what's inside the package. The screen, the cable, the drone, some wings, and the screwdriver. Leave a like if you like it, and follow for more content. I'm gonna learn how to use all of these features. That's gonna be the next thing.